Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this section, we will cover Google Cloud Identity and Access Management. Cloud IAM lets us grant granular access to the specific Google Cloud resources and helps prevent access to other resources. Cloud IAM, also known as Identity Access and Management, lets us adopt the security principle of least privilege, where we grant only necessary permissions to access specific resources. So let me just log on to the Google Cloud portal and show you what options do we have in the IAM section. I am logged on to my Google Cloud portal, and you have to first of all select a project in which you have created your infrastructure. So I have only one project. I selected it and I'm inside that project. And if you would click on the top left corner, you will get all these options. And from here on, I'm going to select IAM. Under IAM, you have the permissions for project, the name of my project, my first project. You see the members, these are all the by default created object for the Kubernetes engine service agent, compute engine service agent, app engine default service account, Google API service account, so on and so forth. And this is my account that you see at the bottom, to ashisharora@gmail.com. I'm the owner. My name is Asra Cloud Chef, and these are the permissions. And if you want to have a look at it, you want to edit it, you want to give any other role, I'm the project, I'm the owner of the project. And you can go in deep and give the necessary permissions or remove it. I'm not going to play with my account. Let's say you want to add a member onto it. Click on add. And it says enroll one or more members below. Then select a role for these members to grant them access to the resources. What it members can be, it can be a Google account email, it can be a Google group, it can be a service account, it can be a G Suite domain. So let's say I'm going to add my another ID. busybutfit@gmail.com. I'm going to select a role. Let's say I'm going to only provide him the viewer access. I'm not playing with the condition. You want to add a condition to a resource, the name of the condition, the description, and when these conditions will be met, then the access would be given. So let's not go with the permission. And if you want to add another role to this account, you want to add you want to give him the access of billing. I'm going to go billing project manager as well. I'm going to click on save, and you would see I have added busybutfit@gmail.com as a project billing manager and a viewer. So if I'm going to log on to Google Cloud Console with this ID, my busybutfit ID, you would see that I have the access onto this project. So let me just pause this video and come back. So here I'm logging on to the console with my busybutfit ID, the one that I have added. Let it come up. It's going to open up with the same window. So if you would see here, and if you would go on to the project, you see my project. These are different projects that were created, but my first project is this, which was under Astra Cloud Chef. And if you would go into the section, I have the view section here. So if I go to compute, I'm not sure if I'll be able to create. See, the create, it's grayed out and it says you do not have permissions. You don't have permission to create an instance. But if you would go to the billing section, so I can manage the billing account here, right? For this particular project, my first project. Change billing, disable billing, I can do it. So this is, and if you want to remove a member, You can just add on, select it and click on remove, and you'll be able to remove a member from your project. And if you have not selected anything, the remove will be grayed out. You have the recommending log as well. There is no activity as of now, and you can add granular permissions here through IAM. So I hope you liked this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Good day ahead. Bye bye.